Hey beautiful ladies, I hope you have a great day so far. Friends, in today's video I am going to share with you my Sephora order, and this is a big box, but not that much product in this box. I bought some LANEIGE product which I want to try for a very long time. So finally these products are on sale, so I bought these. Let's see one by one. Firstly, this LANEIGE bouncy and firm sleeping mask, and it is for dry skin I think, but I use the sample of this product and I love that, so I tried to the big one. So let's see how much. It's a big tub, and it friends, it is a very gel and thinny texture of this product, and it takes so much time to use and finish, so it's a good deal. So that's that. Next friends, I bought this icon to go, LANEIGE icon to go, 4-piece of box, and it's very little tiny product in this is a travel size, and it has so much tiny product. You can see this beautiful LANEIGE sleeping lip sleeping mask, this moisturizing cream, then this LANEIGE water bank moisturizer, and last this one, it is a water sleeping mask. So these little product come in this tiny box, and friends, I am very happy to see these products. It takes so much time to finish, because there are so much product in these little containers. I want to try these, and if any product of these ones suit to my skin tone, definitely I buy the bigger one in future. And friends, with these products, this drunk elephant sample size, I think it is a moisturizer. It comes with this order. So that's it friends. These are all the things which I bought and which I get.